Hello! Welcome to Mabel. Let's learn together.
Click on the selected points and draw the letter A. Good. B. Fantastic. C. Fantastic. D. Great. E. Perfect. F. Great. G. Perfect. H. Good. I. Fantastic. J. Perfect. K. Perfect. L. Good. M. Super. N. Awesome. O. Awesome. P. Super. Q. Way to go. R. Good. S. Good. T. Great. U. Fantastic. V. Awesome. W. Super. X. Good. Y. Fantastic. Z. Good.
Congratulations, we have finished learning the basic letters. We hope you already know and remember all the letters we learned. Remember to keep practicing and learning so you can master reading and writing well. Don't forget to always be enthusiastic and try, because learning is a fun process. Thank you for studying with me. See you in the next class.